round is what we were looking at, you know, because they're really round. Now I've got those ones and I put on that and I think that makes a good tag, doesn't it? So that'll look good. I want a front page, I want something on the front page. When I first opened the book, I need to put something down on there that's really take it. See, I was going to put these in those pockets, but then I thought they look better. But I can still do another lot of pockets for these circles or something different, can't I? Yes, I can. I can do something different. So here's more. Yeah, this one coming off paper that I've got. It is from Stamperia page, that one, paper. And then I've got a little, it's for trimmings and that sort of thing that I've made for that. Right, so that can go in there. These reels of things can go in this bag here for a minute. And we'll put something on this page at the front. And I really know what I want to use, and I hope I can find it, because I was sitting here yesterday and I put it in. Come on, Sonya, you can do this. Because what am I doing to take out a lot of this stuff, because I've been bringing it out and bringing it out. Could be in this baggie. In that long thing. Long thing. Oh, wrong bag. This is what I'm looking for. I hope. Put it in here. Yep. Here it is. Right. Now, I've still got more here that I haven't showed you. I think I did that one in the video and didn't like that at all. I've got little tags and pockety things and stuff here. There's another piece of that Stamperias. I've got these little doll ones that I can put in it. Doll pictures. I've got these here that I bought that I want to make a thing for, a little ticket for that. I must have a little piece of something I can put a ticket for them on. Make a ticket for it so I can put them in there. In a box here I have. See, this is me fiddling around, I'll never get anywhere. So I made this one. A little card, and I put the things on. I wonder if I did a tutorial on that. I've got a fox on that. We just need to get on to and make some more things, don't we? Let's not fiddle about. Right, so on this page here, we're looking at doing something soon. Sonya. That page, we've done that page. I want to do this front one. Got ink all over my hands. You know, other day, sitting here, thinking, oh, look, there's some coffee. Might dye me stuff. So I did. I stuck it in there. I thought, oh, good, this could be fun. And it worked real easy. It wasn't actually a cup of coffee, there was only a bit in the bottom. There's only a bit in the bottom, so I just put this in a cup. It was, you know, what's this stuff called? Yeah. It's like a bandage thing that you buy, you know. It's not actually a bandage, it was on a big card and it was white and it's gauze, some sort of gauze fabric, and I just put it in the coffee and it just turned out really, really cool and old, didn't it? Look at that. Okay, isn't that brilliant? I love it. And I did have some lace as well that I did. It seems to be here, not here at all. There's some there that was white. I've turned it into that colour. I've changed it to that colour. I do love to use a bit of material in these books because they are for sewing. such things, you know, so I do like a bit of material in them. So I've got those bits there that I might incorporate somehow, make a pocket or something on the front page here. Get it started. Now this is why I don't get nothing done, I suppose. I've got too much stuff to fiddle around with to get started. Have I not? Rightio. So this will be a two-part piece, I'm sure, because I've only got another one little tiny part of the battery left. Now, I was going to leave these, excuse me, this piece like it is. I'm going to actually cover the outside here with a piece of fabric that I got that's got ladies on it. And so I want to use something here. The envelope would be absolutely awesome, wouldn't it? Why isn't it a bit shorter? Why does it have to be so long? It could go that way. It could go that way. So there's no rules on which way you put the envelope, is there? The only thing is, I think I'd rather it there like that, and I'll cut it down here, and then I can use it as a tuck that way. What do you reckon? And then it doesn't have to have that thing there. And I can put a bit of something behind it, up the back, or across here. Across here. I would do that. I would put that there. I'm sure I would. Yes. Okay, so that's going down. As soon as I can get the glue to come out of the pot, that's a great thing that we happen to do. That's just the first thing, isn't it? But it's got to happen. It's got to come out of there eventually. Right. I'll just hold it up that way a minute so it falls down while I'm just making a... I'm going to glue this down, a bit of glue stick. I just want to put it on the edge so it doesn't go into the inside and I'll lose my pocket effect. Okay. Now I'm going to cut this off here, this side bit. I'm going to get this bit here and I'm going to make a... Ooh, that's handy. Didn't even stick to it. Good one. So I really do think I want that there. Don't you? For the underneath bit. I could do it always. I'm just trying to unclog my glue pot. Oh dear. Come on. Now, mustn't have put much glue on this, eh? Just go around the edge here, Sonia. Come out, please, come out wherever you are. Oh, I hope this video turns out okay. I just could not do another one and muck it up, so I don't want to muck this one up. So I've got to put that like that, Sonia. That's how you need it to be, like that. Okay, right, very good. Now, I'm going to have to go now because this is going to stop. And I'll come back and I'll make the rest of it for you and show you what I'm going to do, okay? Put that in there and cut out that bit. We need to see what we're doing, so I can turn it over like that. And you just aim in there halfway, from either side, in the middle, and you just press down like so, and that's going to go in there. But I'll have to go now, I'm sorry, because this is going to stop, and I want to thank everybody for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and I hope you will come back and watch what I'm going to do next, because I promise you I will finish it. I will, because I'm still going to be working on it when I charge my battery. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.